Now we will see how we can add items from another set into the current set, that is updating a set. For that, use the update method simply. Let us create two sets. I'll be creating the first set. I created first set and printed it. Now I'll create a second set. Okay, then I'll update the first set. Okay, I have created the second set. Now what I'll do, I'll update the first set. For that, write the first set dot update, and within that mention the set 2. That's it. After that, print the set 1 because we have updated the set 1. You can write here updated set 1. Okay, I've written updated set 1 and printed it. Right click, run. Let's see what will happen. At first we have printed set 1, then set 2, then the updated set 1. Now the set 1 was having 5 elements, this is having 3, so the updated set 1 will have 8 elements. Okay, in this way you can easily add items from another set into the current set to update the current set.